What's up, Montgomery County? It's lunchtime again, and today Cody is deciding that we're having sushi. As a matter of fact, it really wasn't even a question. He pretty much is mandating that we have sushi. So we are going to order from Umai Japanese Restaurant, which is right around the corner from our house. Right here in Lansdale. They have some phenomenal sushi, and to be honest, I can't say that I'm upset with his decision. So let's go ahead and give them a shout. Hi, I'd like to place an order for pickup. My name is Chris. Yeah, with a C. Yeah, C-H-R-I-S. That's okay. No worries. Can I have the Maki 4 lunch special? With a salad, yes please. Can I also do the Alaskan maki roll? And can I also do the Maguro lunch? With that one, a salad as well. Yes, please. And can I also add one more salad? A small will be fine. That's going to be it. All right, my friend. I'll see you soon. You're welcome. Bye-bye. So there you have it. Actually, the one thing I just noticed is that on their website, the little arrow bar as you scroll around to figure out what you want to eat actually is a sushi roll. So, but as I mentioned, this place is around the corner from us, so I'm not going to take you for the 2-minute ride to go pick it up, but I'll be back to show you exactly how phenomenal this sushi is. See you soon. All right, so I'm back, and we have food. Cody, got sushi.
Let's go!
So we are gonna tear open these bags, see exactly how these little gems look. All right, so what did you get, Cody?
I got a 5-piece sushi.
5-piece.
Right there. Oh, wait, 6.
Yeah,
So 5.
6-piece sushi roll, but it's salmon. That's what you asked for, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, salmon. And then what did Mommy get? Mommy got
The
shrimp tempura,
yeah,
which is one of her favorites, and the spicy tuna roll, which I think is probably one of everyone's favorite. And I got spicy tuna roll with sashimi tuna, and then we all got a salad. So it's time to eat. All right, so we're already digging in. As you can see, Cody's got a little head start on his salad there. Cody, how's the salad?
I really like it. Even adding the dressing, I would also recommend the dressing.
The dressing's legit. Nicole?
Good.
What she said.
Mouthful. Yeah.
What she said. Yeah. Anyway, so there you have it. Lunch from Umai, and I stand corrected. It is actually in the Suburban Square shops in Lansdale, right off of Hancock. So if you're ever in the area, stop by, check them out. Make sure to support local, and as always, go Mongo.